The most valuable trademarks in the world. What are they? What are these brands worth? Are they in the millions, the billions, the trillions of dollars? You'll have to watch this video until the very end if you want to be super shocked about the sticker value for each of these brands. And it begs the question, do you believe that your brand could eventually be worth that amount of money? Let me tell you that lots of entrepreneurs start on their business journey not really knowing if they can get there, and some start with unbelievable confidence levels. Do you believe that your brand has what it takes to eventually compete with some of these top brands in this video? Make sure you stay till the end. You don't want to miss it.
Now, working our way up to the number one spot, we will start with Verizon. Verizon comes in at number 10. It's a multinational telecommunication company that was created as part of a rebranding of the Baby Bells in the mid-90s. Verizon Mobile is the largest wireless carrier in the United States. Want to see its logo and its valuable trademark? Coming in at number 9 is Huawei. Huawei is a multinational tech giant headquartered in China, and it is the second largest manufacturer of smartphones in the world behind Samsung. Want to check out their logo and their trademark? Check it out. Coming in at number 8 is an industrial and commercial bank of China. ICBC is one of the largest global banks, and its capital is provided by the Ministry of Finance of China. Want to check out its logo and its trademark? Look no further. Coming in at number 7 is Facebook. Over 2.8 billion monthly active users. It is ranked 4th in global internet usage. I think we can all recognize Facebook's logo and trademark, but just in case you haven't seen it, I am putting it up on the screen right now. Coming in at number 6, we have Samsung. It is a Korean manufacturing conglomerate based in Seoul, South Korea. Check out Samsung's logo and trademark right here. Coming in at number 5 is Walmart. Walmart is an American retail giant that operates a chain of markets, discount department stores, and grocery stores across the United States. Now, if you want a refresher on what Walmart's logo looks like and has looked like over the years, stay glued to your screen. Coming in at number 5 is Tencent. It is a Chinese company. Its brand value is approximately $214 million. The next most valuable brand is Google. It is one of the most valuable brands in the world due to its market dominance in search, the scope of its data collection, and its contribution to artificial intelligence. No surprise there, right, guys? Now take a look at Google's logos across the years. It has changed. Tell me if you see the major differences. The third most valuable brand is Microsoft. It is best known for its operating system, Microsoft Windows, and also Microsoft Office Suite. Now, if you want to see what Microsoft's logo looks like, make sure that you keep your eyes wide open. We are at the top 2 most valuable brands now. Coming in second place, the most valuable brand / trademark is Amazon. Amazon is an American multinational tech company that focuses on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. I am also going to show you Amazon's change of trademark across the years, as this is also an interesting evolution for those of you that are interested in how a brand changes over time. The number 1 spot is reserved for Apple. And we can all recognize Apple's logo coming up on the screen right now. If you guys enjoyed this video and learning about brand evolution and what these brands are valued at over the years and at this point in time, then make sure you hit the like button and you tell me what you think of this logo and trademark evolution. Does your brand have what it takes to create what the marketplace wants? Now, if you want to see a list of what each of these brands is actually worth in 2022, make sure you hit pause on your screen right now so you can admire, you can ooh-ah over these numbers. Imagine your trademark, your brand in this top 10 list, because I'm a strong believer in the saying that says, if you believe it, you can do it. Do you believe you can eventually make this top 10 list? Because I do. I do believe in you. Do you believe in you? I want you to be inspired and motivated to go out and create a top 10 company. If you believe it, you can do it. Make sure you hit like down below so that you can be subscribed to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video.